So if this happens when you try to turn your turn signals, you see the right one blinks by itself, but the left one, when you hold it down, it comes on. Then when you let go, it doesn't blink by itself. But if you hold it down, it stays on steady. Then that means you've got a burnt out bulb. So what you do is run around the car
now
while
hit it
somebody
on this
inside
side.
the car operates the stick and have them hold it down so that the light inside lights up. And if the blinker doesn't light up on one end of the car, that's your bad bulb. So it didn't light up in the front, but it does light up in the back. So that means this front bulb is bad. And then all you got to do is unscrew the two screws that hold it in. And then this is pretty simple. You just turn it to the side to get to the bulb and then pull it to take it out. Make sure you get the right one. On this Jeep, it is a dual filament bulb. I didn't have one, so I'm using the wrong bulb to fix it. But you push the new bulb in, test it out to make sure that it blinks, and you're good. And then you put it back into the housing. Usually you would turn it clockwise to get it back into the hole. And then put the housing back in its house. Screw the screws back in. And then once you've got it all locked down, you can go back into your car and you can see that it blinkety blinkety blinks now.